In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Vortex Beat 2.0 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see a screen appear. Okay, so you can let go as soon as the screen appears. The phone is on recovery right now, and that's what you need. So press the volume down button. Okay. Using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes, delete all user data. Press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.